Mary Thompson. On the 17th of July 2018, I did a full replacement knee surgery. I had 2 weeks of therapy at home. After this, I came in at dynamic physical therapy, where I got really aggressive therapy from the therapists and the entire office, which was very helpful. In 2 weeks, I didn't have to use the cane anymore, which was a great improvement. I continued my therapy, and until today, I have seen much more improvement. I'm walking much stronger than when I came at first. I did a lot of exercises at here and at home, which I know was of great help to me. And today I can say the hard work that I put in, and with the help of the therapist's office, I am seeing good results today. I am very pleased of their working with me. They are very pleasant, very helpful, and ready to help and to make sure each and every patient being treated the same way. I would recommend dynamic therapy to my friends and family, which I already been doing, because they do an excellent job here, and they are interested to see that as a patient you succeed because of your good works, and they too get the praise. The entire staff is wonderful. I appreciate them for all their hard work. Thank you all. Pass. Go, sorry. Not.